1, 2, Freddy's coming for you.
Today we'll be making a display for my Freddy Kreuger Knightmare Glove made by Anders Eriksen. No safe props here, all leather, metal, and sharp, just the way Freddy likes them. The easiest way to make the display for this project is to start off with a hand lifecast. Using alginate, make a mold of your model's hand. If you would like more detailed instructions on how to do a lifecast, check out our alginate ear casting video. Using TC1630, create a rigid master hand by pouring directly into the alginate mold. Tapping the mold helps to force any trapped air out of the cast. Carefully cut the alginate with a razor to release the master hand. The original goal was to use the 1630 hand as the display model, but we quickly realized that the glove wouldn't fit on a rigid hand due to the finger placement, so we needed to create a flexible one. After demolding the master, it is now ready to be molded with TC5015 platinum silicone. After it is fully cured, cut the mold with a sharp razor and reverse pliers to release the rigid master hand. Spray E236 urethane mold release into the mold, then put back on the same bucket used to create the mold to help hold the mold together. Now we can cast our FP60 flexible urethane hand. I added flesh and yellow oxide pigments to give the hand a realistic coloring. The final flexible display hand turned out great. Now to squeeze it into the glove and get it mounted. Using a drywall screw and washer, attach the hand to the base of the display box. Place the top on and voila! A beautiful and safe way to display my Knightmare Glove. Thanks for watching. You can find links to the BJB products in the making of this video in the description. We have a wide variety of quality mold making and casting materials with technical help to choose the right product for your application. Be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to BJB's YouTube channel and social media. We have many beginner and advanced videos, as well as tech tips to help take the mystery out of materials.